Are we the only one who name our plants in the garden? This is Maggie. She's a big girl. Mango. This is Little Sap, Big Sap. Anybody can tell me what this is? We're calling it apple for now. Don't know what it is though. Pretty tall. Here goes Lolo. This is Rock. This is Poppy. Here is Life. Life Corner over here. They're all around. This is Time. Little Simi. Big Simi. Little Rock. This is Io. The front, the little pretty flowers, those are called queen bees. This is Pep. This is Italy. This is Sweet Bee. Here is LB, Lee, Spear, Rosie, Coolio, OG, and Minty. Oh, and Gigi.